Subscribe to my channel.
We haven't started this car in a while. Hopefully the battery is not dead. Here's a closer look at the damage. Let's see what happens. You try starting it? Nothing? Nice. Hi, wait. It unlocks but doesn't lock. So this one has to. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we had this 09 Subaru Forester that was hit in the front very slightly, and today we're going to be attempting to fix it if it's worth fixing. It doesn't need much, only a headlight, fender, radiator support, and front bumper. Really simple, little corner damage, no frame damage. We started by pulling it out so we can get everything somewhat aligned so we can have the car outside, and then from there expect the damage, see what we need to buy or replace or already have, because we have a lot of parts for these cars, and see what we can make happen. Like all completely destroyed. I don't even know what's going on here. Fender, also this radiator support piece is all bent here and here, but other than that it's pretty simple. Just the fender, headlight, and bumper. The hood suffered no damage, so it's pretty minimum. And yeah, but the only problem with this car, it has so many little dings and scratches. Like this door has one here, down here, here, and then this one's just full of scratches. The rear quarter panel here has some rust. This one has two dings in it. This one has somewhere has, oh, right here has a ding. And in this fender, I don't even know what they did here. They look like if they painted it here and then they put some type of bondo. I don't know. It's bad. Digging into this car, we realized this car is unfortunately pretty rusty underneath, and so either way we just decided to go through there. We got another headlight, lifted up the car,
push that car,
put jack stands, and see push how it's looking underneath.
Yeah, put that thing on. Yeah, do that thing. Yeah, do what you do. Yeah, do it. Yeah, do that. Yeah, you got this. Hi, Squidward. Go. Go. I'm recording. Vroom, vroom. Doing photo woman.
No. So we removed the catalytic because that's not good. Yeah, we're gonna fix that catalytic up. And this is the catalytic from this car, aka the downpipe on this car is aftermarket, and well, we don't want aftermarket. And the biggest thing is the brackets broke. It looks like it broke twice when they tried to weld it. So we're gonna switch it to an original one. We've replaced the screw. We have to put one more and put it back on. So we changed everything. We changed the catalytic and the downpipe and a couple other things. So let's see. Nice and quiet, no noises. Pretty good.
Doesn't sound like a Mustang.
Now we had this car for a while. We haven't went on a test drive. So legally we need to put a headlight. So we're gonna replace the headlight and go for a test drive on this car for the first time. This is just a random bumper we have from one of our cars. I believe it's one of the frame machine, and from there we'll take it out. Inside of this thing is super dirty, like real dirty. I don't know if this is the dirtiest car we have had, but it's pretty dirty. Like look back here, it's pretty bad. Camera doesn't do it justice. We have plans of maybe even putting it out. We'll see.
It's on.
You see how foggy it looks?
You're in the video. I'm gonna eat something. Wait, I'm gonna eat something. Tell me another joke. I see the light. Oh, I see the light. The light.
Say that. This is a family-friendly channel. Don't show my head.
Yeah, we just lost one of these things that were on top of the roof. It's fine. Anyways, this thing is making a lot of noise. We believe and suspect it's the wheel bearing, because it's not the transmission, it's not the motor, and it's starting to rain. I'm going to take a quick stop to the Subaru dealer to pick up a couple parts, and we'll see you from there. Well, the noise got worse, and it's not really sounding too much like the wheel bearing, and it's now starting more like a differential noise, or a bad bearing. And the differential, it's really loud and really bad. It's not the transmission. The transmission is fine. It's not the motor. It's between a bearing or differential. We arrived at the Subaru dealer to pick up a couple parts for either this car and another car we were fixing, and from there we'll see what happens. Alright, here to pick up. Good. Have a good day. Unfortunately, this car is pretty dirty. Here's a quick look at the interior. It's super dirty. This is not worst dirtiest car yet. It isn't. We had a car that was even worse than this, but it's pretty bad. As you can see, the carpet's just bad, floor mats. And here, I don't even know what this is. It looks, I don't know. The back is all filthy. The engine bay is decent, but somewhat dirty. Time to get cleaner. Yeah, perfectly. So, gonna be giving it a little pressure wash. A somewhat of a detail. It's not too crazy. Just enough to see what we're looking at, what we're dealing with, and what exactly we have. And if it's worth actually rebuilding it and fixing it, or if it's worth putting it out. Because like I said, the rust is one thing on the bottom. It isn't too bad compared to other cars, but it's still there. The differential noise slash bearing noise that we don't know what it is, plus the dirty interior, plus all the dents and scratches on the car. I don't know if it's worth fixing, to be honest, even though it has such a light hit. We have the car in the air. We're going to test out the wheel bearings to make sure it's that. Yeah, there's that. That's the noise. Well, you're there. Go a little faster. Put your ear there. Really? I probably should have hit the brakes before I did that. Oh, we got an issue. That does not sound good. That sounds like differential. Yup. Oh, that's no bueno. I don't know what we're gonna do now. This is damn, that's bad. Sad news, but I think the differential in this car is no bueno. Plus, on top of that, this car has rust here, rust underneath. Why is the car locked? Rust on the door jam, damage here. I know this isn't the best way to end the video, but this car was, one, the front differential was making a ton of noise, as you heard, as well as the rust on the car, and as well as all the dents and scratches that this car had. To us, it wasn't worth fixing it. Yeah, we could have made some profit out of it, but we don't like selling headaches. We don't like selling cars that needs a lot of work, or we like to sell cars in great shape, like that the customer doesn't have any issues with the car once they buy it, whether it's starting, mechanical, exterior, interior. We don't want no issues. And unfortunately, this car was way beyond, well, our preference of a car. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, but the next video is definitely going to be a good one. We ended up getting a super hit car, and we've pretty much fixing it in one day. So catch you in the next video. Peace and God bless.